Hi everyone, this is Grace with Make Bullhead Better, and today I got to come to the Colorado River Nature Center and take a look around. It's really awesome, and the city has just paved the road, so it's way more accessible. In case you're wondering where the Colorado River Nature Trail is, that was Target, and then you go down Ricardo Avenue. This is the very long road that has just been repaved. And that little area right there is the parking area. You can walk down from there to the sandy beach. This is the only sandy beach in Bullhead, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can walk down this trail right here, and there's a little structure that I'll show you. Just gonna jump in here real quick and remind you that this Saturday there is a drive-through food distribution completely free, 1255 Marina Boulevard. Once you arrive at the end of the road, you'll find this diagram, and it has all the different trails as well as animals and birds that you might find in this area. There is a paved concrete trail that you'll see, which is that blue trail right there, and it creates a giant loop. You might be wondering what this area that's fenced off is for. This is the area where the dirt was removed to create the second bridge that is well on its way to being completed. It is also the potential location for a water reservoir in this nature center that could have fish and things of that nature. I hope that you guys enjoyed taking a look around the Nature Center. And there's so many great places in Bullhead to check out and just explore. So I hope you enjoyed this. Come on out here. It's free. It's open to the public. So here's the address. Check it out. One more event that Make Bullhead Better is putting on is this October 29th, the Trunk or Treat at Mojave Community College.